Hi everybody, welcome back. In today's video, I'm gonna walk you through the steps on how to turn off suggested posts on Instagram. It's a quick and easy process, so let's get straight into it. Open up your Instagram. Now you could normally see these kind of posts coming on your feed on Instagram which says suggested post. Now there is no option to completely remove it, but you can tap on the three dots on the top right of the suggested post and then tap on not interested. After you do that, a particular suggested post will be removed, but it will again show up. Now in order to not see these kind of suggested posts, the other thing that you can do is tap on this Instagram on the top and then tap on the following option. Now here in this section, you will only be able to see the accounts that you follow, and this section would not show you the suggested post like it would on the feed of Instagram. So if you don't want to see suggested post, you can always tap that following option and then use your Instagram. So that's the only way you can turn off suggested posts on Instagram. If you guys liked and found this video helpful, then subscribe, share and give this video a thumbs up. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.